Hello traders, I'm back with one more video. So as the slide represents, so today we will be discussing how I made almost like 8% profit in just 1 hour. And guys, this is not the intraday, this is the swing trading. You might be surprised, 8% profit in 1 hour, and that too in the swing trading. And this will be like combined with the data driven approach, so which basically I've started from since 2 to 3 weeks. So maybe I'll make more videos going forward, and this one you'll get to know. I said ends proven 1x is equal to 4x. This is nothing but 1x profit of a general retailer is as good as 4x for us. Okay, so rather than me telling theoretically, let me explain you everything uh, practical. All right, so what I'll do, 1 second guys, what I'll do, okay, I'll just take you to my angel account, sorry, not angel, mstock account. Okay, if you look at these two things, so today I'm just going to discuss about the SDFC bank. So today SDFC bank, I've just entered into SDFC bank almost at 2:23 p.m. All right, and then if you look at this entry, same SDFC bank, I have exited this trade at almost 3:18 p.m. So almost like 1 hour. Okay, so just focus on this parameter. I told you right, 1x is equal to 4x is all about this thing, e margin. So what I've done is like, let me show you guys. Okay, if I take you to HDFC bank, this is very important. So what quantity I've taken here? If you look at this quantity, 125. So I bought 125 and I sold 125. This is the trick, guys. Okay, HDFC bank. All right. If I buy for 125 quantity, all right, 125. I'll refresh this. So then invest and I'll refresh. Okay, so this will cost me almost like 2 lakhs, 1,97,170 rupees. Just in case if I'm going for e margin. So what is e margin? So you have to search my YouTube list, or else I'll just try to put that relevant video in the I button. Okay, so now if I refresh, so I literally need only 49,000. So net 50,000. So if I invest directly into HDFC Bank with 125, I need 2 lakhs, but I'm just trying to take the E margin. Just look at this. This is only for 7.99%. Guys, if someone is new about E margin, don't even try to attempt this. If you are experienced, if you are smart trader, if you know the price action view of the market, if you know how to identify the potential best stocks, so then this is for you. Okay, so now there is a reason basically why I'm showing you. So net I paid 50,000. Okay, but look at this, I mean look at my paid method. So I said I almost booked 3,645 guys by just deploying 50. That's what I told you, right? Just by just deploying 50,000. Okay, I made 3,645. This is almost like 8% profit on 50,000. But just in case if someone wants to go for 125 bank nifty without using the margin, so they have to spend 2 lakhs. Got it? So what I've done basically, I've spent 50,000 from my capital. The remaining 1,50,000 I got it from M stock at a rate of interest of zero. Basically zero, because if you hold the trade only for 2 days, okay, you are not supposed to pay any interest. But if you hold for more than t plus 2 days, you are bound to pay the interest. But this is not all about e margin, guys. This is today's video is all about price action and how we can use the data driven approach also. So I've just given you a small concept of e margin. Okay, let me now take you to the price action. Why did I enter into bank nifty is a big question. Okay, let me delete. Okay, so now if at all someone sees this naked chart of SDFC bank, will he or she will be able to say what is the entry, what is the stop loss, where should I enter, right? Definitely today if you look at SDFC bank, it has given 1.34%. Okay, if I'm showing you this chart now, it is very difficult for someone to say whether I need to enter or exit. Okay, now I'll put my price action. That's it. This is my price action, guys. Right, plain vanilla trend line. Okay, needless to explain, whenever this took the breached the resistance, it went up. Multi-level resistance, it went up. Finally this got breached. breakdown, it came down, and then it gave a upside move once it has breached this resistance, multi-level support, the same resistance acted now. Even it took this support, so I thought might be right, it might go up. This one indicator is not sufficient. I mean, not indicator, but this one confirmation is not sufficient. So what I've done is, like, this is how I do. So I've just plotted my 200 moving average, guys. Simple. Now things have become very easy for me. Okay, I have this blue color, this white color trend line support, as and when it took support it went up, and moreover I have the confirmation of 200 moving average support. We all know, right, 200 moving average will act as a strong support as well as the resistance. So whenever it took the support of 200 moving average, it went up. It took the moving average support, it went up. It took this support, it went up. It took this support, it went up. My plan is not to hold this for long term, because I'm just going for E margin. So for me, 1% move is equal to ideally 4% move. Guys, don't forget this slide. That's what I've told you, right? 1x is equal to 4x. That's what I'm just trying to explain, because I'm using 3x margin from the broker by just deploying 1x margin from my own capital, right? I've just deployed 50,000 here. I got remaining 1,50,000 from the broker. So 50,000 plus 1,50,000 is equal to 2 lakhs. All right. So if you calculate 3,700 profit, what I got, 3,700 on a capital of 2 lakhs, just in case if someone went by putting their own capital, by not using the E margin, he might have got only 1.85%. But wherein I deployed only 50,000, right? I deployed only 50,000, so I got 3,700 profit. 3,700 divided by 50,000 into 100 is equal to 7.4. So net 8%. Hope you got the what is it, the mathematics. Okay, but this is not about mathematics. Again, I'll tell you how we can use the my price action with the data driven approach, which we have not used. Okay, now let me delete everything. Alright guys, let me delete everything now. Okay, let me delete everything. Now what did I say? So this is my price action, guys. Okay, this is my price action. So let me just deploy the 200 moving average. So HDFC Bank took the support of this white line, it went up again, it started taking the support of what, this yellow color 200 moving average. And then I thought, maybe chalo, let's go and go and deploy a swing trading in the HDFC Bank. Let me again show you what was the Bank Nifty also doing, because even that is very important, right? What is Bank Nifty doing at that time? Okay, where is that Bank Nifty? Even this view is very important, guys. So maybe Bank Nifty was also bullish, but because this is my price action, let me remove. Simple, guys, this is my price action for the Bank Nifty. Whenever it took this, it took the resistance, came down, resistance came down, third time resistance came down, almost fourth time came down, almost fifth time it came down. Right now it is taking this support. It took this support because whenever it took a support, it went up, took a support, it went up, took a support, yes, it went up, but it's a false breakout. The same thing acted as a resistance, multi-level resistance. So this horizontal line will act as a strong support. So Bank Nifty has respected, and then since from 2 days it is going up. But now, how is the data driven approach? This is very important. Let me take you back to uh, HDFC Bank. Okay, so guys, you have to spend some time. If not, if you do not have patience to wait and watch this video, right, you will not become a full-time trader. Let me put this 200 moving averages, right? So now support of this white trend line, which was acting as a support and resistance in the previous, and then also support of the 200 moving average. How much did the Bank Nifty made? Right, Bank Nifty made only, sorry, the HDFC Bank made almost like 1.2%, I believe, because I've entered at 2 o'clock, right, at somewhere at 2 o'clock. It made a movement of only how much, 1.3% or something. But how come I got 8%? I've explained you. because 1x is equal to 4x. I've deployed 50,000, the remaining 1,50,000 I've taken from the M stock, wherein I got it for 8% ideally technically, but for the first 2 days the interest will be zero. So this is what the price action will come into picture. You have to be like very strong at price action. You have to see, I've not randomly deployed. Did I deploy anything randomly? Right, everything is backed up by what? Price action and everything. But now, how is the data driven, guys? There is one tool called Quantsap. I think majority of the guys might have heard about this tool, but I'm planning to do more videos on the Quantsap wherein I can explain you all the features. But there is something called built up tool which helps me like anything in this swing trade. Okay, I'm just planning to make a video also. I'll just click on, like, what I'll try to do is like I'll just search for HDFC Bank. That's it, guys. Now, what is the takeaway from this video would be, just check at these four parameters. I'll not try to make it more complicated because anyways I'm planning to come with a dedicated video. But if you look at these four parameters, it will show you the cycle of SDFC since from 17th Feb till date. What exactly is happening in the SDFC Bank? Okay, needless to say, check this. Short is, this is in terms of futures, not in terms of options. Okay, so if you look at this last 2 days continuously, there were longs getting built up. So what is long getting built up? If you look at this thing, right, the price is going up, all right, and the open interest is also going up. So this combination is known as long. Okay, what is long unwinding? It is the other way, right? Let's say, see, anyways guys, anyways I'll make a video. If not, the video length will become lengthy. And then 15th there was shorters, 14th there were shorters, 13th there were shorters, 10th there were shorters, and on 9th also. But you might be wondering, if there were like so many shorts getting built up, what is short basically? What is short basically? Right, there are like too many shorts getting built up. Okay, I'll make a video, guys, so don't get confused. You can watch that video. Right, let me again take you back to this trade. So just this chart clearly says that, see, this was, there were like shorts getting built up, shorts getting built up, third day shorts getting built up, fourth day short getting built up. And if you look at this thing, there were like too long. Okay, basically what I meant to say is like these are the strong support. So for me this is a strong support, right? Because this as a support of this white trend line, and then the 200 moving average. So just I've given it a, this is called the calculated risk. If market falls, see, if market falls, it cannot fall straight down, right? It will have a pullback, and then it might again fall, it might take a pullback, again it might fall. So I'm just expecting, my short-term expectation is also this one. I'm just targeting the pullback because I'm going for E margin. I don't want market to go like 10% upside. 1% is equal to, for me, it's 4%. This is the reason, guys, I took the support of this Quantsap tool, which basically told me that, boss, since from last 2 days there are like too many long built up happening. So let me show you one this thing, right? Let me show you one, what do we say, what is the 1 second, guys. Right, if you look at the short, right, let me show you. First we'll see the example of long. So what is happening here? All the trades including a Bajaj, price is going up. All right, guys, open interest is going up. Simple. What is open interest? Right, majority of the, it could be retailers, these are all participants basically. Okay, so basically what happens is like whenever the price goes up, right, even the open interest is building up strongly, right? So that clearly gives an indication saying that there are like more of longs getting built. Nothing rocket science. Price going up, open interest going up, right? There is more interest in the participants. That's the reason you see the open interest towards this particular instrument is getting built up, because the price is going up, meaning there are like more of buyers. Okay, let me take you the example of, first let me take you the example of shorters, okay, because I've selected the shorting. Okay, let me, simple, this is the, 1 second, yeah. What is happening here? Price is coming down, price is coming down, right? But the open interest is going up. Simple, right? Whenever you want to go for short, what is that you want with the price? You want price to fall. If you take an example of, if you are buying a put, right, what do you want? You want market to fall. Same like, if someone is going for shorting, simple, the price has to fall, the open interest has to go up, because there should be some interest in the participants, right? That's the reason the open interest is going up and the price is coming down. Okay, let me just, I'm giving one example. And then what is the long unwinding? Simple. Now you should pause the video and you understand, right? Price going up, open interest going up, that was long. So this is almost like equivalent of the long unwinding. People who went long, they started squaring off their position, because they went long like 2 days before, 3 days before. The moment they see the resistance, they'll start booking their profit, because price is coming down, price is coming down, so as the open interest. So the same set of people who went long like 2 days, 3 days before, so they are squaring off their position, because price is falling and open interest is also falling. Now let me give you an example of the what do we say, short covering. Simple, right? Short covering. So if someone wants to go for short, price should fall, open interest should go up. That's what we have seen. This is the reverse. Price is going up, all right, the open interest is coming down, because whoever went short, they started squaring off their position, they started booking their profit. They thought market will go down. Yes, the price went down day 1, day 2, day 3, but at some time there will be some support and price will go up, right? So at this position they will exit their position. So people who went short here, they'll exit their position at this position. That's the reason the price will start going up from this support, and the open interest obviously will get reduced, because the same shorters are covering their position. So that definitely will have the impact on the open interest. That's it, guys. Right? I thought of explaining about this long unwinding, all these four parameters like long unwinding, short unwinding in a separate video. But I think, okay, just in case if someone doesn't have the experience about this thing, so you have to you can just get that data from this tool, guys. I mean, this will certainly help you, right? I'll make another video on how to use all these features, but now what I've done, basically I've just searched for HDFC Bank. That's it, guys. So technically what I've done is like my price action plus this data driven approach, right, which basically told me, boss, in this stock, in this HDFC, since from last 2 days there are like long getting builds up. That's it. My price action said it's at a very strong support. Yes, stock was coming down, so there is a strong support. My price action says there is a strong support, and also the 200 moving average was also saying that there is a strong support. That's it. I went. The moment I got 1% profit, I've exited, because I got almost like 8% profit, because I took 50,000 from I deployed 50,000 from my own pocket, and I've taken 1,50,000 from broker at a 0% interest, because I've exited this trade on the same day. This is what I call, guys, this is what I call, okay, 1x proven 1x is equal to 4x profit. So today I've shown you how I made 8% profit in just 1 hour, that too with the swing trading, with the data driven approach, by using the Quantsup tool. I'll be making more and more videos, so that your eyes will get trained, and also you'll be able to understand basically what is long unwinding, what is short unwinding. Guys, this is very important for you to understand. Let's say I'll give an example. Let's say that one stock is going up, right? Let's say it went up and it is coming down. That's it, right? Whenever the stock comes down, this particular thing, you should not, you should be able to know whether is this a sort of reversal or a retracement. What is this basically? The small downside move, is it a pullback? Unless and until you know about this thing, you'll be not able to all the trades. If you think that, if some tool is giving you some indication saying that, was the trade went up, the stock went up by 5%, and there is a small retracement, because at this position there are, see, people who went like buying on the day 1, all right, people who went buying on the day 2, right? Day 3, right? So people who went for buying, like they will slowly start squaring off their position. So what is happening here? There is a long unwinding. So if there is a long unwinding happen, you should not exit your trade, because this is bound to happen. Market cannot go straight up, right? Market has to go up, it will retrace, it will go up, it will retrace. So what it is making, this is making the higher lows and your higher highs and higher highs. Got it? See, if I want, I can talk for hours and hours, but you need to know the difference between reversal, or is it retracement, is it a consolidation phase, is it a congestion phase, what is it? So basically this tool will give you that entire picture, guys. That's what I wanted to say. I'm not trying to, yes, I'm partnered with this tool, but I'm going to show you all the live examples so that you start believing in this tool. See, today I can say that, guys, there is a link below in the description. Go and subscribe for this tool the way the other YouTubers tell. But today I'll show you more of practical examples. I'm just showing you with my live trade so that your eyes should get, I mean, basically you should believe it, right? Okay, this tool is working. So basically what I'm doing, I'm just combining my price action with the data driven approach. Alright guys, so guys, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up, right? If you want, you can subscribe my channel to your friends, and also if you're the first time watching this video, please subscribe my channel and also click on the bell notification. Alright guys, thank you.